Hello everyone, are you tired of navigating the digital world with uncertainty, worrying about online threats and viruses that could compromise your data? I have fantastic news for you today. I'm here to unveil a game-changing solution that will give you a peace of mind without costing a single dime. Introducing the method to obtain Avast Antivirus for free, and yes, you heard that right, it's completely legal. We all know that the importance of a reliable antivirus program in safeguarding our device and personal information, but with the abundance of options out there, finding a trustworthy yet free solution can be a challenge. Fear not, because I've got the answer. Our step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of legally accessing Avast Antivirus without any hidden fees or illegal downloads. You'll have the powerful tool at your fingertips, shielding you from the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Stay tuned till the end of our video to unlock the secrets to fortifying your online defense without breaking the law. Your online security matters, and it's time to take control of it without any compromises. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out on the new videos, and don't forget to click on the bell button right next to it so that you may receive all the notifications for my upcoming videos. So why choose Avast? Avast Antivirus has established itself as a global leader in the digital security, known for its robust feature, real-time threat detection, and the user-friendly interface. And the best part? You can now tap into those features without even opening your wallet. Go to your browser and search for Avast, then click on the second link you get on the screen. This will redirect you to this website. Once that's done, click on free download and then let it download. So after some time you will receive an interface like this, so click on install and the installation process will begin. So after that, it will show you an interface like this. There will be some processing going on. So there are many features in this, even though the ones which have a lock symbol is for premium subscribers, but we can work with this. So please do subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. This is me signing off. Bye.